Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. How you guys are doing? I hope your watercolor is going great and you're learning. Thank you watching my videos and learning from them. So in this video, I want to show one of the very exciting things which has been delivered yesterday, and that is this paper. So yeah, basically I ran out of my art supplies like a paper and colors, and I was just waiting for the supplier to deliver this. After requesting a several time, I got this paper. So probably I will just take you through what paper I've been using, because a lot of people are saying what paper you use in your watercolor art. So I'm going to demonstrate and I'll show you what paper it is. So before doing this, let me talk about the Skillshare. So I have a couple of classes available on Skillshare. So you can get access of these classes, and you can learn in a more advanced level learning. So I would request you to check my Skillshare classes. There are several other classes which is coming up on my class. So if you don't know about the Skillshare is a online learning community for the creator with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and many more. So whatever category you can just think about, and all those all the classes are available for you to learn. So I think it's a great to enroll in a Skillshare. And the premium for the Skillshare is like less than $10, and you can access unlimited class. So I think it's a great to have a membership in this Skillshare. So interestingly, the first 500 of the subscriber, they can use the link in my link which I've given in my video description. So from there you can get a 2 month of free trial version. So that's a really great opportunity to explore the Skillshare. So request you to please go and check the Skillshare. So now let's go ahead and I'll just show you this paper. So as you can see, this came in the bundle. So I have a two set of it. One is the larger paper, and the another one is slightly smaller. So as you can see, I'm working on one of the watercolor artwork, and interestingly, this paper is the last one. So getting this delivery was really exciting, because after this paper I was not having a single paper with me. So I think that's really adds a lot of value to my the daily work. So now I'm just going to open this. I need to. Okay, so now I have the paper. So I have ordered two set of it. One is, as I said, the larger one, and the regular size. So this one, which I have been using this paper for quite a long time. Most of my work was in this paper. As you can see, the grains, which is absolutely fine. I mean, it has a nice texture. Can you see that? So it has a very nice texture, and because of this, I really I love this paper. So if you want to know what is the brand name, so finally I got to know that this is called CHITRAPATH. It's widely available in India. I really don't know if this paper is available in any other part of the world. Maybe in a different name, but I think this paper was really great, and it has a lot of capacity to hold the water and the texture. It has a very nice grain. Okay, so I really love this paper. This is the 30 by 20 the inch the size of the paper. You see that? It's a quite big. So I can make on a half imperial size whenever I need, and most of the time I'm working on like the bigger set. So I have total. I got around. It's about 35 piece. So that's what I order, and that is really nice. It came out in a good condition. Now just hold on, I'll just show you the another paper. So this one is the CANSON watercolor paper. The size is quite large. I think it's a 40 by 30 inch. It's a quite large paper, and that's what I was looking for. I was looking for slightly the bigger than they usually I make my watercolor art. So I think this is the great paper for my gallery work, because I got a lot of requirement for the gallery project or art collector, several commission work. So this is the great the paper size. So let me just take out the paper and I'll show you. Hold on. Wow, it's huge. So I don't know if you're able to make out, but probably I'll just show you the comparison. So this is my iPhone, and now you can see that how big this paper is. So yeah, it's a quite good. Interestingly, it has some bit of grains also, but not that much, because I don't see much grains here. Probably this side also not much compared to this paper which I have been working on. This paper is having a very less grains. So once I'll make the painting, then only I'll just see like how is it. So I have ordered one full bundle. So in one bundle it comes around 12 sheet of this paper. So I think and it cost around let me just show you this here, the CANSON. This is 300 GSM, and the cost is around 340 rupees per set. So I don't know if the different country having a different price set. I don't know about that, but that's the thing. So I think what I really like about this paper is the size of it. I really like the size. Once again, I'll just put it on the floor. See, it's a huge one. Okay, I don't know. I mean, again, I will just show you. I have a scraper. Now you see how big is it. It's a quite fairly big paper. So I think I'll have a really great time working on this paper, and I will definitely share any of my artwork which I am making in this paper. So yeah, it's a great to have such paper, but still, if you see that the volume, I still prefer the CHITRAPATH, and that is the reason I've just ordered a big amount of I ordered in a big volume. So maybe another chunk of delivery which will be coming very soon. So that will be totally 50 piece I'll be getting. Because a lot of people are saying what paper you are using in your watercolor. So yeah, this is it. So I've just I've started to working on one of my artwork here. So I'll be sharing how it came out. You can also see me in in Instagram, where I've been keep updating all updates of what's happening, what I'm making today, and whatever art I'm making. So all of them I'm just updating there. So please follow me there in Instagram, and you'll get a lot of update. And I really want to say thank you to my all Patreon who has been helping me to create such videos, and that's really wonderful to have your support to create. Interestingly, all of these paper I got it from the last month payment from the Patreon. So I've spent it buying this paper. So have a great day, and enjoy watercoloring. I'll be coming with a new video very soon. See you.